The toilet auger is sleeved at the bottom to protect the porcelain from being scratched. Make sure the auger head is fully retracted and carefully guide the auger to the base of the bowl. The auger head is spiraled and is designed to retrieve items in a clockwise direction. When the auger is fully retracted, it can be easier to control by placing your lower hand 2/3 the way up and not on the handle. Spin clockwise with a slight downward pressure. Changing the angle of entry may help in passing the toilet's integral trap. Continue to spin with light downward pressure until the blockage breaks free. The standard length for toilet augers is 3 feet, and in most cases this will be enough length to clear the blockage. This model, made by 𝗏𝗫, is extendable up to 6 feet using these spring-loaded tabs. This may be helpful for blockages that may be just past the 3-foot reach. Retract the auger in the reverse order, spinning counterclockwise. When getting near the end, slow down and carefully remove to eliminate scratching the exposed porcelain. Well, there you have it, the most successful tool in clearing a clogged toilet, and a tool I believe every home should have and will pay for itself in one use. If this video helped you out, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.